Okay, what we have here is an older model Markel heater. This was a trash find. I actually found this last year, and I've had it sitting in the basement until now. But I already have the front grill off of it, which is this football helmet shaped thing that goes on there like that. It's just a safety cage sort of thing. But this, I already started to take it apart to clean it. But this has a dual element, and it's called Neo-Glo element, and it's supposed to be guaranteed for life. It's a dual element, 3 heat settings, high, medium, and low. And it's a fan forced. Right there's the fan, and it really needs cleaned out. So I am going to clean it out. And I am not sure when this was made. I would venture to say probably in the 70s, 80s maybe. But it still has the Art Deco design of the old Markel heaters that you see on eBay, and I believe the elements in those are the same as well. So I guess that goes to show a design that works. So we'll get this cleaned up a little bit. Okay, so now it's cleaned out, and we're going to put it back together. I'm going to leave the front cover off of it, or the screen off of it, so that we can see the elements. But I'll be back. Okay, so we got the heater back together now, and if you'll notice, this on the front for the first, this is the, I believe both elements are the same. Well, actually, it looks like the rear element back there has more windings on it, so I'm guessing that the rear element is a higher wattage. But the front element here is just a radiant element. It's not fan forced, and then the rear element has the air from the fan. So let's turn it on to low. And you can't really see anything, but it's definitely putting out the heat. Doesn't really glow like most heaters, electric heaters, do. And the other thing, if you notice, you don't hear the fan running. Now, looking in the camera, I can't see it. Let me shut the light out here. I can't see it because I guess, well, it is glowing a little bit, I can tell with the light out. But the camera's picking up the purple because it's, I guess, more of an infrared. But now the fan's not on, the fan's not running now. But when you turn it on to medium for the rear element, the fan kicks on. You can kind of hear it. Now we're starting to get a little bit of a glow back there. Now this is a 1500 watt heater, so I'm guessing somewhere around 700, 750 watts on each element, although like I said, it's probably more like 800 watts on the rear element and 600 watts on the front element, because the front element does have less windings. So there, now we're glowing on medium. Now we kick it on high. It takes a while for it to heat up all the way. It's not like the instant heat like a ribbon heater is. It takes a while to get it up to temperature. But on the high setting, both elements are on. You have your radiant element in the front and your fan forced blowing out the top. Not really coming out the rear, but it's coming out the top. Now you can see that the front element is heated up, and I'm having to move back because of the heat that it's putting out. I don't want it to melt my phone, but that's that Markel, can't really see here, Markel Neo-Glo heater. Trash fine.